Hi guys, it's me, Ray from raytalks.co.uk, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I make my very own DIY Ayurvedic oil mix. If you'd like to find out more, please check out my blog where I'll have a list of ingredients, the benefits and the measurements. Stay tuned. You will need an applicator bottle, some olive oil, some castor oil, rosemary, I picked this in the field, henna, menthol, which is optional, and fenugreek seeds. So take your applicator bottle, unscrew the lid and pour some olive oil. For complete measurements, please check out my blog, and I will be linking all the ingredients that I used in the bottom, so check out that. So next is some castor oil. If you want to find out the benefits of castor oil, again check out my blog. If you do use castor oil, let me know. So in here we've got some olive oil and almond oil. Olive oil and castor oil. Then I decided to add some more castor oil because I was like, bah, and then I decided to add some more olive oil like I'm doing here. And then I put that down and I get my henna. This bit is quite messy, so this is a bag of henna I already have opened. So what I would suggest is that you get a cloth. This is just one of my African boo-boos. And I take some henna and I tried to put it inside the applicator bottle. This is a real DIY, like it was a mess, but we got there in the end. If anybody can suggest a way to put this inside the bottle more cleanly, let me know down below. Yep, I'm just here cleaning. What am I doing? So I scoop it and then try to put it back in like so. Yeah. Then I clean up because it is a hot mess. Then I take some of the rosemary stems or leaves, I don't know what we'll call these, and then I just pop it inside the mixture. Then I screw the mixture and give it a good shake. So we've got olive oil in here, castor oil, henna and the rosemary leaf twig thingies, which I got in a field, but I'm sure you can use rosemary oil. So you can see it's quite dark in colour. Love it. And then I take my fenugreek seeds. These are the game changer, because when I've done some research around Ayurveda, everyone always goes on about fenugreek, as well as henna, but fenugreek is like the must try seed or oil. So I've just got some fenugreek seeds, put them in a spoon, and then I attempt to put the seeds inside individually, and then I'm like, that doesn't make sense, so I grab it in my hand and pour it in like so. Then I decided that didn't work, then I just did it again, and then inside we go, and they're falling to the side, but some did enter. Then we take the menthol. You can cut them into small pieces if you want, like I did there, as you saw. And then I'm just going to pop these inside the mixture. Love the smell of menthol. This was also another like must have when it comes to Ayurveda. So then I just shake like so. Shake some more. And then this is what I'm left with. You can see the rosemary leaves, stem things there, and you can even see the fenugreek seeds. Well, leave this for 3 weeks and it is ready to use. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe and share this with at least one friend. Ray.